starts with letter L, then ends with letter E. Remember, if we put the Lord, that letter L, first in our life, the ending is always letter E. It is always eternal or forever.
Pinaka hindi ko makakalimutan is yung first time akong dinala sa puntod ni Papa. Kasi alam ko, wala, yun na yun. Kasi pinakilala mo na ako sa kanya sa isa sa mga pinaka-importanting tao sa buhay.
We pray for the father of Donato, and as we continue also praying for the family of Risa Dayan.
Masaya na si Papa mo kahit na tupad na rin yung mga wish niya. Sana maging maayos pa yung dalawa. God bless.
You deserve lahat ng to, and mahal na mahal ka namin. Every time, pwede kang lumapit sa akin. Andito lang ako na kahit anong bagay. Mahal na mahal kita.
Tandaan natin ang pagmamahal na merong Diyos ay panghabang buhay or merong forever. Yung ating buhay pag walang Diyos ay walang kabuluhan. Ang matitira lamang is only vanity. Love and marriage is only vanity. But with God in our relationship and marriage, yes, we will face many challenges in our married life, but the ending is always eternal.
Hi, my love. This is it. Ito na yung araw na pinaghihintay natin. Lagi mo sinasabi sa akin na sana mas maaga kang dumating sa buhay ko. Iyak ako. Na sana nakilala ko si Papa mo. Pero ako, I think, dumating ka sa buhay ko sa tamang panahon lang. Tamang panahon kung kailan alam na natin paano mahalin ang isa't isa ng tama at mas buo na tayo. Worth it lahat. Worth it ka. Kung papipiliin ako, pipiliin kong ulit-ulitin yung araw na yun. Kung dito din naman ang bagsak natin.
There are days I wake up and I pinch myself. You're with me, not someone else. And I'm scared, yeah, I'm still scared. That is
Bye!
Excited. Hindi ako kinakabahan. Basic. Hindi. Hindi,
Mahal mo, mahal mo.
Cause when you love someone, you won't.
Sila yung ano ko, college friend.
When you love someone,
UE days ko from first year to graduation talaga. Kasama ko na itong dalawang girls na to. Sila talagang mga ano, high school friends, more than 10 years ko mga tropa yan.
Iiyak po ako. Ano yan? Pabebe lang. Thank you, Daddy!
all my life, I thought cause you gave me something to lose. But when you
Thank you sa lahat mula bata hanggang ngayong araw ito sa pag-alala sa akin. I love you so much, Ma.
if you love someone and you're not afraid to, you probably never loved someone like I do. You probably never loved someone like I do. You probably never loved someone like I do.
7, 1995, I was born, and after 16 days, June 23, 1995, sinilang na pala yung mapapang-asawa ko. Simula nung naging tayo, 2019, we always celebrate the day between our birthdays. Now, we have cemented this July 14, our dream wedding.
Life is wonderfully beautiful. Life is wonderfully
Salamat sa pagmamahal mo, my love. Pagmamahal na walang pinipiling oras at sitwasyon. Kahit sa mga oras na hindi ako kamahal-mahal.
Papahalagan kita palagi. I vow to love with you, and dream with you.
Thank you for your patient love, for your understanding heart, and your strong mind. Pangako, gaya ng lagi kong sinasabi, mula sa araw na to, ikaw na ang priority ko. Ikaw at ang bubuin nating pamilya.
Life is wonderfully beautiful. Life is wonderfully
We'll always be together, however far it seems. We'll always be together in electric dreams. Mahal na mahal kita, love. Forever yours, Donato.
beautiful.